Hello everybody, in this video we're going to do Karel the Robot, karel2a. Alright, let's get going. So here's what the run looks like. You're going to move and pick up these beepers. By the end, you'll have 30 beepers. So to do this, you'll log onto your Scratch account first, and then you'll copy and paste the link. The link will be in the description below. You'll click Remix, which will take us here. Here are the instructions. This is the link to the video you're watching now. The remix is what I just did. If you clicked look inside this code instead, there will be a remix button here, or you can go file remix, and that's another way to remix. Then we're going to rename our project, remove your name here, space remix, and put in your name, and then we save. So that's file, save now. And then we're ready to go. So let's hit the green. This will show us the problem we're trying to solve. Looks like we need to write code to pick up all the beepers. And once again, we are only allowed to use the blocks in my blocks, but this time we may use repeat as well. So as part of this lab, we're going to need to make turn right again, because again, this does not have a turn right. So I'll do the same thing I did last time. Click make a block, define turn right. Turn right is 3 turn lefts. Test, remember anytime I make a custom block, I need to test. Remember this is called abstraction, when I'm replacing something complicated with something simple, which makes my code simpler and more readable. Anytime I make an abstraction, I should test it, and you saw me do that, and it's good. So again, I can move it out of the way. Since I've tested it, I know it's good. I don't need to have it in my field of vision anymore. All right, so now the instructions say as part of this lab, I need to make a repeat in here somewhere. So I asked myself, what's a good place to make a repeat that would make my code simpler? Well, I see here as I'm going down this row, I have to move 5 times. And as I go back, I have to move 5 times, then another move 5 times, and another move 5 times, and another move 5 times, and another move 5 times. So this is a good place to make a repeat, going down the row and moving 5 times. I'll zoom through this since you already know how to do it, but I'm going to make a block. I'm going to call it row. You can call it whatever you like. And in that row custom block, I'm going to move 5 times. I'll start my row block on the first beeper. And the instructions say I have to use repeat, so I'm going to use a repeat. I will repeat 5 times move, and that will make my code even shorter. So let's test it out. And it looks good. The row block starts when I'm on the first block. So it takes me 1 off, 1 over, but that's fine. I will adjust for that in my later. So now I need to make a turn to do the next row. I'll do a left, a left again, and another move, which puts me on that first beeper of the second row. And then once again, I can use my row custom block to do this row. But now I realize, oops, I've made a mistake. The instructions say I need to pick up all the beepers instead of just walk over them. So here's where having custom blocks is good. When I use custom blocks, whenever I make changes, I only need to make the change where I define the custom block instead of everywhere I use the custom block. So instead of making the change here and here in my main code, I only need to make the change here in my custom block once. And you can see this problem would get worse the more rows I'd have. Right now it would be 6 rows, 6 changes instead of 1 change. So let's make the change now. I need to pick up the beeper. I need to retest my custom block. Always retest. And it picks up the 2 rows as I expect. So you could just keep on going just like this and everything will be great. If you're super sharp, you will notice also that this picking up 2 rows repeats 3 times. You could have another repeat of that. But that's up to you. Finally, I'm just going to show you what this code would look like if I did not use this custom block. So if I did not use abstraction. This code would be a lot less simple, a lot more error prone, and a lot less readable. So hopefully you can see how abstraction can help you out when you're coding. Remember, it's a term that you're going to want to know if you're taking the APCSP exam. All right, so now I'll put the code back to what it was. So I go File, Save to your computer. I'll open up the autograding website. The link is in the description below. I'll select the lab. I'll drag and drop the lab in. Click submit. And you see here, I have a turn right. I picked up 1 beeper. It says 30 beepers don't work. What does that mean? I click on the help link and here it shows me what I need to do. Basically, I did not pick up all the beepers. So we're almost there and I'll let you finish the rest yourself. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hope that was useful to you. And if it was, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.